Good afternoon, everybody.
Good afternoon.
You start?
My name is Robinson. I'm the co-founder of the Wormhole Foundation.
I'm Carlos Domingo. I'm the co-founder and CEO of Securitize. All right. So my company, Securitize, is the leading tokenization platform. We started in 2018. We're going to be 7 years, actually, November 2017. We're going to be 7 years old in November this year. And we're known for having tokenized a lot of the leading asset managers like KKR, Hamilton Lane, and more recently, BlackRock. We've done probably, at this point, over $1 billion of tokenized assets on-chain over the last few years, and we have more than 500,000 investors that have been onboarded through our platform.
And Wormhole is the leading interoperability platform. Wormhole's been around for about 4 years now. We actually got our start with Solana and Ethereum. We processed over 47 billion in asset transfer across chains. We've done over 1 billion messages as well. We've helped secure 4,000 unique assets moving across chains, and 150 applications on chain today use some version of Wormhole's tech. And why we're all here is Solana, one of the leading blockchains as well, with significant TVL, TPS, validators, and total transaction numbers.
Good. So you might be wondering, what is Securitize doing here on the stage with Wormhole at the Solana conference, right? So we're here to give you a small announcement about a collaboration that we're going to be starting moving forward. The first thing is Securitize has decided to adopt the Wormhole solution for the scalability and cross-chain interoperability of all the blockchains that we support. We need to natively support each blockchain that we work with because we need to issue assets that represent securities. So this is something that we have to have a direct integration with them. We've integrated with many of the leading EVM platforms, but the second announcement that we're doing today is that moving forward, we're going to be starting integrating with Solana to support Solana to be able to deploy all the tokenized assets that we have in our platform over the time into the Solana platform, and also use Wormhole to move them across other chains.
The institutions are here, and one of the biggest demands is to come to Solana. And so Wormhole is helping Securitize here with this, and bringing all of the fund managers that Securitize works with on-chain to Solana. And how is it working? So Securitize multi-chain assets, it's a unified multi-chain user experience, meaning that the tokens maintain their unique properties. So it's an SPL or an ERC20, obviously depending on which chain it's on. There's no need for liquidity pools. So for those of you who have been sending assets across chains for years or many months now, you're familiar with some of the challenges you'll run into. You no longer need liquidity bridges or to compose unique transactions to ultimately just go from a native asset to native asset. Today, you're just able to maintain that fungibility and send between all these different blockchains. There's institutional compliance with this solution. So Securitize will maintain ownership of these contracts, and they can change anything they need in order to maintain any sort of compliance regulations they need to. And then there's a multi-chain synchronized token state. So with the Guardian network, we're able to maintain this synchronized state or global synchronized state so that you can maintain the integrity of the token balance across all different chains. Unified liquidity for Securitize tokens assets across all of DeFi. So this is just an example of the simplified front end of what it will look like, and you'll be able to send to any chain, most importantly, Solana.
We have not done yet an asset that is multi-chain. All the assets that we've done so far are single issue in one chain because of the complexity of maintaining the integrity of the asset across multiple blockchains, because these assets represent securities and they have a lot of different type of restrictions we need to apply with the smart contract. So moving forward, thanks to the Wormhole solution, we'll be able to implement this. All right, so I think to end here, for the last 30 seconds we have a small video to play for you guys. Thanks for your time.
Trillions of dollars flow through the global economy daily. As the world changes, so must the systems that move its value forward. Treasury bonds have long been a bedrock of traditional finance, but a new era is emerging, the era of tokenized assets. Tokenization is breathing new life into traditional assets. Liquidity, once out of reach, is now within grasp. Real-time settlement and 24/7 markets, once imagined, are now reality. This is just the dawn of a more connected, accessible, and open future. To lead this future, Securitize the leading tokenization platform, has chosen Wormhole to securely and seamlessly scale tokenized assets globally.
Thank you.
Thank you.